Down the side come in a whistling and playing, and he was at Brackley's gates as the day was dawning, crying, Baron of Brackley, and are ye within? There are sharp swords at your gates will guy a bleed spin. Oh, rise up, my baron, and turn back your kye, for the lads fraid on Warham are driving them by. Oh, how can I rise up and turn them again? For where I am a man, I'm sure they are 10. If I had a husband as I was in, he wouldn't lie in his bed and watch his kiting. Then up spake the baron, crying, give me gun. Saying, I well may gan out love, but I'll never win home. There were with bold Inverrigh 33. There was nane with bonny Brackley, but his brother and he. 'Twere gallant to Gordons did never so draw, but against 33, why is me what is 'twar? With swords and with pistols they did him surround, and they pierced bonny Brackley wi' mony's the wound. Frae the head of the Dee to the banks of the Spey, the Gordons will mourn him and ban him for aye. Oh, came ye by Brackley's and was you in there, and saw ya his Peggy, a bride in her hair? Yes, I come by Brackley's and I wasn't there, and I saw his Peggy, she was mocking good cheer. She was ranting and dancing and singing for joy, and swore that same evening she would feast in Verrigh. She laughed with him, danced with him, welcomed him in, and she kept him while morning was saying a good man. Now there's grief in the kitchen, but there's mirth in the hall, for the